Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check it out how to create freshen effect in Illustrator. So basically the freshen effect, these glowing effects, around the circle, this is basically used mostly in 3D. And we're going to explore it basically in Illustrator how to do it. It's not that simple. It's kind of difficult actually. So I'm going to try to reproduce this. All right, long click on the rectangle, select the ellipse, the circle, press and hold Shift plus Alt to create a circle, something like this. I'm gonna recolor it as, I'm gonna actually reproduce the same exact thing. I'm gonna go with this dark blue. From here, I'm gonna press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, or you can go to Edit and then paste in front. This is going to paste another copy on the front. And now we're gonna go to the gradient and click on the gradient. So from here, we're gonna go to the radial gradient, click on right here. So the main idea is we're gonna work with this outer part, okay? So I'm gonna double click on the white, for example, or which is basically the outer part. Double click and I'm gonna choose a magenta-ish color, something like this. This is the hex code, by the way. I'm gonna select all, Ctrl C and double click on the black, the color that is in the center right here. And I'm gonna copy paste the hex code in here, enter. There you go. So you clicked on this circle and you got the opacity right here on 100%. Click on and type in 0%. So it's gonna look something like this. I'm gonna press the letter G. And this way it's gonna show you this handle where you can pull this and it's gonna customize the gradient. I'm gonna pull this little square here out, somewhere here. I'm gonna pull this diamond also, and then I also gonna pull this circle. So the main idea is to create this special freshen effect, that glowing effect that goes round and round. And we're gonna need to emphasize also a little bit. This is pretty good. I might go also press the G again and push this a little bit out even more. Okay, so the glow is good. I'm gonna select it, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F again. And as you can see, the glow starts to also intensify if you added another copy on the top, And I'm gonna press the letter G and I'm gonna push this out even more. So this way we're gonna make it a little bit more sharper. I'm gonna bring the diamond even more in. Not that bad. I'm gonna press Ctrl C, Ctrl F again. And now we're gonna go to the gradients. We're gonna pull this back, something like this. I'm gonna press the letter G and I'm gonna go out, something like this. And the main idea is to pull it this way. So this part is gonna glow. And this zone is gonna show this dark blue. Push this out. So if you push this out, see, it's gonna make the blue even bigger. Something like this. Okay, now I'm gonna press Ctrl C, Ctrl F again. I'm gonna press and hold Shift, rotate once, twice, again and again until the glowing part is gonna be here. And I'm gonna go to the transparency and go to the blend mode and select overlay. So this is gonna show you a different glowing effect here in this zone. And we're gonna press Ctrl C, Ctrl F. See, now it gets stronger. I'm gonna press and hold Shift and rotate it back so it's gonna glow somewhere around here. And I'm gonna go to the gradients and I'm gonna change the color to white. I'm gonna go back to default, double click on this, choose the white. I'm gonna go to the gradient, change the overlay to normal. Good. I'm gonna go click on it and press the letter G. I'm gonna need to adjust this. And I'm gonna push it somewhere around out here so it's gonna glow only in these sides. I'm gonna also need to make it a little bit more harsher. So I'm gonna pull these in, see this? So it's gonna be somewhere around there. I'm gonna make it more soft, somewhere around like that. And I think this is it. I'm gonna select them all, right click, group. I'm gonna press Ctrl C, Ctrl F again. I'm gonna press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it down, something like this. I'm gonna press and hold Shift and scale only the left side. And we got this beautiful, these are the wallpapers that Apple has. And this is it. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. And also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.